Hey guys, welcome. In case you're wondering why I've been panting, I have something exciting to show you. Okay, so I have converted my 2015 Mondraker into a single speed. So this is a lightweight trail bike, so I thought this would be a fun project. Back I have is a 20 teeth, and on the front a 28 teeth oval. You do get all the spacers to align this cog onto the chainring, as well as the chain tensioner to maintain the chain in place. And next up is how to install, which will go in detail, so stay tuned. In case you didn't catch this guy, say hello to this beautiful caterpillar. For tools, you'll need a single speed kit. The one I have is from Originate. Now with that kit, you will get some spacers, a chain tensioner, and 2 cogs. I'm not going to use either of these cogs because I did buy an Originate 20 teeth cog. The reason being, my front is an oval, 28 teeth oval chainring, so rare 20 is perfect. You also need these spacers because the hub body is meant to take the cassette, so these will take away the rest of the space, and it will also help align your cog with your front chainring, so the chain is now straight. This one, chain tensioner, because I don't have sliding dropouts, will be needed to take away any slack. You also need an 8-speed chain, about the KMC one. We'll get to the sizing in just a bit. Now with your single speed, the whole idea is you want it somewhere around the 5th or the 6th gear. The point being, you want this cog here to align with your front chain ring. That way your chain has a nice straight line. You can test, fit and try. Yeah, that looks way cleaner. Now when you're putting this washer, you do want a little bit space up top. So when you tighten the lock ring, this will compress everything down and hold in place. So for that reason, I'm putting one more washer. That will bring this slightly over the top. I'm not going to tighten it really hard. I just want to do a test fit first, see how it all looks. I'm just going to use the old chain and see how it feels before I even worry about the new chain. I hope you can see it. It's pretty straight. So the chain tensioner threads onto the hanger, and you do want to align this part onto this cog here. So there is this nut which will let you slide this in and out. I am a little bit concerned that there is no stopping mechanism. I just wish there was a stopping mechanism where this doesn't slide out, but I guess this will pinch hard enough that this won't slide out completely. And this pin right here, this is going to rest on this little dimple that the hanger has. Look at the thickness of the 8-speed chain. So all the weight you saved on the cassette, you pretty much gained on the chain. Just kidding. So with this, with the quick link, right here is where I'll make a good contact. So this will be my ideal chain link. I'm going to add 2 more links, which is 1 and then 2. So right here is where I'm going to cut it. Okay, now my quick links are engaged. After routing, I realized I didn't size the chain right, so I'm going to add 2 more links now. There we have it, the lean, mean, single-speed machine. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay.